Let us see an example for interfaces. Here I created a program called interface course with Java course ID and course name and one method course detail. The method course detail is by default public as well as abstract, and I have defined that interface as public access specifier, and the class name is interface name is course J. So we have to save this file. So I just created an interface with two initialized member variables and one method declaration. Here CID and CNAME never going to be redefined because they are by default public, static, final. So how to check that this is a public, static and final? Let us compile this file course j.java, java c course j.java. See that there is no compilation error. The interface course j.java is now compiled. So after compilation, you have to verify that there will be two classes are there in that package called course j.java, course j.class. So every interfaces are just similar like a class. So every time you are going to compile a Java program, regular Java class program, that to be converted into bytecode. That bytecode is called course j.class. Now we have to verify that in the definition of the interface course j contains the variable initialization by just adding string as a variable name, variable data type, and the method course details return type as void. Now we have to check that how your compiler consider the implicit variable and methods into public as well as static as well as the method as abstract. Just see that the compiled version of this course j, from that I have obtained the information. This shows that public interface course j. Similarly, we have the definition in the Notepad++ as well as in the command prompt. See that public, static, final. So just take a mark. Public, static, final, java.lang.string CID. So automatically it takes the variable CID which I define in the interface as static, final, then the data type which is called java.lang.string object, and like that it consider public, static, final, java.lang.string CNAME. So both the member variables CID and CNAMEs are by default added with static and final. Like that, look at the method declaration public, abstract, void, course detail. Whereas in the method definition, method declaration in the interface course j, in the source code have only void, course detail. So this way your compiler as well as JVM automatically promote the member variable of your interfaces into public, static, final, and the method declaration into public, abstract. So the compilation of interface is over and the bytecode is generated. Now we have to create a concrete class which implements this interface and override the method course detail as well as access the member variables. Let us see the code. Here I created a class public class course offered which implements the interface course j. Just now we created and compiled. So this class have its own member variables called int number underscore student, number of students I want to keep, and string department offered. So this course to be offered by which department? These are the two member variables we are created in the class course offered, and I am going to create an instance for the scanner class for getting a runtime input from the user. And the class course offered have a default constructor. Within that we are hiring enter the number of students to be enrolled and enter the department who's offering this course. So these two information we collect through the scanner class and keep it into the member variables number underscore student and department underscore offered. After that I have a method display. It's a own method of the class course offered. So here I just display the department who is offering this course and number of students are possible to enroll. These details we are going to display. Anyway, we are implementing an interface course j. That course have only one method declaration. So we have to define that method in the class, otherwise this to be considered as an abstract class. For such case, I just comment this code. implementation of this method, let us see how the compiler will reporting an error message. So that only we identify the interface method should be defined by all the classes those who are going to implement. Is it right? So now we have to compile the class Java C course offered dot Java. See there, actually we define the classes public class course offered, but the compiler reports an error public class course offered, that is the error occurred course offered is not abstract and does not override the abstract method course detail in the course J. So this course detail method we could not able to access, so I have to command this method invocation. Now we have to compile. Again the class becomes abstract, so we may not able to, because it clearly says that course offered is not abstract anyway and does not override abstract method course detail in the course J, that to be clearly mentioned in the first line, which insists that in order to not implementing the method course detail in this class automatically promoted to abstract class. So you have to define that method only, we have to able to compile and the class file to be generated for execution. So these are all the compile time productions given by JVM, Java compiler. So a single line or a bit of code have an error, we may not able to create a executable. If it is executable is created, then only we can able to execute in different platform. Now we have to define the method void course detail. Here purposefully I am not mentioning this method course detail as public, because just like the declaration I given in the course J interface, I just implement it like void course detail without the explicit keyword public. Let us see what happened, and we have to call this method here. So save this code and compile now. Still I got the message course offered is not abstract and does not override abstract method course detail in course J. We all know that we have implemented the method voice course detail as of which is declared in the class declared in the interface course J, but during that class exploration we found that the method declaration void course detail to be detailedly defined as public abstract void course detail. So that abstract keyword is implicit, and the same time all the members of the interface are public by default. In order to specifying the access specifier to the interface on the whole will be automatically negligible. The members are by default public. So now I am going to add the keyword public as access specifier along with the definition of the course details. Now we have to compile and check out. Now we have to check. Okay. Java C course offer dot Java. Course Java. Detail. So it considers it's a own method of the class, so that if I am not mentioning the method name properly, that is there we declared course detail, here we are defined the method as course details, Even though that consider that method will not be reported as error, even the compiler report the error as the class is not overridden the method course detail. So now we are cleared that error public void course detail. Now we have to compile this code. Now I have to run the program. Course offered okay. It shows that enter the number of students to be enrolled. I have entered 12. Enter the department offered the course. It's not getting right. So I need to use next instead of next line. So what happens if you are entering enter key, which automatically consider that is also one of the input. Let's see, enter number of students to be enrolled. So for this course I have to consider 45 students in a batch. So I have entered. Enter the department offered the course computer science. Now it display the course code as 15CS51C and the course name is Java programming. These two informations are exist in the interface method, interface members, and department offered the course is CAC and number of students to be enrolled will be 45. This will be an example for implementing an interface into a class. And the next session we have to discuss how to inherit an interface and how to implement more than one interfaces into a singleton class.